Hello children, today we are going to learn very important lesson on sense organs. Okay, sense organs means there are some body parts that help us to feel the things or understand the things by seeing, watching or touching. Okay, so that is called sense, making some kind of feelings or making us understand about the things that we are in contact with. Okay, we have five sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. They help us in many ways. See, we have how many sense organs are there? There are five sense organs. Okay, so what are they? First one is eyes, then ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Okay, these five things are sense organs in our body. Okay, so what are the uses of these sense organs? See, they help us in many ways. Okay, every organ help us in many ways. Okay, every body part has its own work. Okay, that work helps us in our daily living. Okay, come let's learn one by one. Okay, first one, eyes. See how many eyes are there? Just you touch your eyes. See, take your finger, just you touch your eyes. Okay, how many eyes are there? Okay, so we have two eyes, right? Left one and right one. Okay, eyes help us to see around us. See, just you close your eyes for some time. Yes, did you see anything? No, if we don't have our eyes, we cannot see anything. Okay, see, if our eyes are closed, can you see anything around us? Just you move your head here and there. No, see, closing eyes cannot be, see, we cannot see anything by closing our eyes, right? Okay, so just imagine if we don't have eyes, what would happen? We cannot see anything. Okay, we cannot learn anything, we cannot study or watch movies or watch cartoons, we cannot do anything. See, so eyes help us to see around us. See, just open your eyes and see around. What are the things you can see? See, you can see trees, plants, grasses, houses, and many birds. Many things you can see, right? So eyes are very much helpful to us. We have how many eyes? Two eyes we have, right? Okay, moving on to the next one. Nose help us to smell. It also help us to breathe. We have one nose. So what is your nose? Just you keep your finger on the nose. Yes. Just you close it for a while. Just you press your nose, both that holes. Just you press it. Can you breathe now? No. If you close your nose, you cannot breathe. Okay. So breathing helps us to live, right? If we cannot breathe, we cannot live. See how nose is helpful for us, right? So nose helps us to smell, and another thing is nose helping us to smell the thing. See, if any good chocolates or anything made in the kitchen, so you will have good smell, right? And you can smell the flavors, you can smell the flavors, different smells are there, right? Okay, so these all works are done by nose. If there is no nose, what will happen? We cannot smell anything, right? Okay, nose is very helpful to us in smelling the things, and also it helps us to breathe. Okay, without breathing we cannot live. You got it? How many noses are there? We have only one nose. Touch your nose. Yes, this is your nose, right? Okay, so this one is your nose. Okay, now moving on to the next one. What is this? Ears. How many ears are there? We have 2 ears. Okay, ears helps us to hear. See, put your finger on the ear. 2 ears are there, right? Left and right one. Okay, put your finger on it. Close it tightly. Can you hear anything? No, you cannot hear, because ear only helping us to listen the things, hear the things. Okay, if there is no ears, we cannot hear anything. Okay, see, we are hearing songs, listening to the music, and if mummy papa calling us, then we are listening through we can hear the sound, their sound through our ears. Okay, without ear we cannot hear anything. Okay, see, this is ear, right? So how many ears are there? We have 2 ears. Touch and see how many ears are there. One is in the left side and another is in the right side. You got it? Fine. Okay, what is the next one? Yes, that is tongue. See, tongue. Just you open your mouth. Did you see something inside? Yeah, touch. Touch and see. Yeah, this is tongue. Okay, tongue helps us to taste the food we eat. Okay, what is the work of tongue? It helping us to taste the food. Okay, there are different tastes. Sweet is there, and bitter is there, hot is there, different tastes are there, right? Okay, so if there is no tongue, no taste. Okay, only tongue is helping us to taste the things, right? Okay, we have different kind of flavors, like she is eating ice cream. Okay, in the ice cream we can find different flavors like strawberry, chocolate, vanilla. Okay, all these flavors are differentiated by the tongue. Okay, if we don't have tongue, we cannot find out the flavor. Okay, how many tongues we have? We have only one tongue. Okay, and tongue also help us to taste the thing. Okay, fine. So moving on to the next one. What is that? Skin. See, we have skin all over our body. Our body is covered with skin. Okay, just you touch and see in your hand, face, everywhere you can see the skin. Okay, skin helps us to feel. Okay, so just you touch your finger, your skin. Yeah, can you feel it? Yeah, so skin helps us to feel the thing. Okay, if anything hurts us, we feel the pain. Okay, and if we pour water on us, we feel cold. If we stand outside, we can feel the sunlight. Sometimes it is very hot. We can feel the hotness, cold, whatever. If body hurt by something, and we feel it, we feel the pain. All these works are done by skin. Okay, we have skin all over the body. Throughout our body, we have skin. You got it? Fine. So that is all about our sense organs. Okay. So how many sense organs are there? We have 5 sense organs, and our sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. You got it? Okay, fine. So now we are moving on to the book exercise. Okay. Okay. First one, how many sense organs do we have? How many sense organs? 3, 2, 5. Which one is right? So which one is right? Yes, this one is 5 is the right answer. Okay, you can tick here. Okay, and second one, we can smell a rose with our dash. So with which body part we smell the things? First one is nose, then eyes and ears. Which one is helping us to smell the things? Yes, it is nose. Okay, you can take it here. Okay. I enjoy the taste of chocolates with my, which one? Tongue, skin, and nose. Right? Tongue help us to taste the things. You got it? Okay. Then fourth one, I come to know that something is hot with my, what is that? Ears, nose, or skin? Something hot. We feel the things. Which one? Right, that is skin. Skin help us to feel the things. Okay, skin. You got it? Fine. So here on the next page we see some questions. Okay, name the sense organs which helps you to dash. Okay, watch TV. Watching TV with, right, close your eyes. Can you see anything? No. So eyes helping us to watch the TV. And listen to radio. Yeah, I have already taught you listening by ears. Okay? Okay, fine. Know the taste of a mango. Which one? Right, that is tongue. Feel hot or cold. Yeah, absolutely right. That is by our skin. You got it? Okay, I'll send this one by writing. I'll send it to you. Okay, fine. So here one more activity is there. So this one you can do it. Make a list of things you usually do using your sense organs each day. So you can, by eyes, what are the things you do, by nose, by ear, by tongue, by skin. So you can write all the things that you do with these organs. Okay, if you see your bird, any birds, you see grasses, see outside, see trees, whatever, you can write everything, different organs and different activities. You got it? Fine.